Speak. Please speak. Yeah. आवाज नहीं आ रही. I am not getting your voice. I'm not getting your voice. Yeah. Hello. No, unmute कर लीजिए. Unmute. Unmute. Hello, unmute कर लीजिए ना. No, आपको unmute नहीं हुआ.
हाँ, sir.
Now it's correct. Now it is correct.
Is it fine now?
Now,
Okay.
now it's okay. Good. Very good. Yeah. Now it is okay. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Very good. Congrats. Good. You are appearing for scale 2 or 3?
Sir, currently I'm working as scale 2 in Bank of Baroda. That is my mother institution, and I'm aspiring
for scale 3. Correct. Because
yes.
Your CV, I saw the CV. It is not, you are not mentioned about your scale promotion. Which year did you get promotion?
Sir, I got promotion in the year 2020.
Oh, good. Very good. Now, we'll start from the beginning. Please tell us about yourself.
Okay. My name is Yog Jaiswal. I am from Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my graduation in the year 2012. Thereafter, I joined banking services in the year 2016. Ever since then, I'm working in various fields. Like initially, when I was under probation, I worked in departments like credit recovery and operations. And after that, I mostly worked under operations in the operations department. But recently in the year 2019, it was when I got the opportunity to head a scale 2 branch. So I humbly accepted that. And after that, I was, there working as a branch head. And now in the year 2000 and last year, in November itself, I got transferred to a big branch, that is the scale 4 branch. Now I'm working as a credit head, full-time credit head over there. Very good. Excellent. No, but while introducing, you can tell the name of the bank, Bank of Baroda. But okay, you said I joined banking industry. Instead, you tell Bank of Baroda. Yes. And you can also tell that you have done postgraduate diploma in banking. Of course, it is given in the biodata or CV. फिर भी आप बता सकते हैं. And you completed CIB also. You have done IC33. ये सब का बारे में आप बता सकते हैं क्योंकि आपको questions उसमें से आएंगे. You will get questions from that. That will be better. But now I will make some cross questions, like say, why were you shifted from branch head to another big branch? Was it that your performance was not up to the mark, or you requested for a change? No, sir, I have not requested for a change. But my tenure, actually, in our bank, that is Bank of Baroda, there's a policy wherein after 2 years of service in the current branch, your transfer becomes due. So I completed my tenure, and thereafter, as per the management, requirement, I got shifted to another branch. Good. You may face some embarrassing questions because normally कोई आदमी मैनेजर होने से तो दूसरा ब्रांच में मैनेजर डालेंगे, समझे? Right. So I sum up ही जाएगा. So there you have not answered my question about your performance. How was your performance in that branch? Indicate the progress made during your tenure as manager. Okay, sir. While I was branch manager, I was actually placed in the rural, branch, and there there the total business of my branch was around 20 crores, which comprises mostly of which was led by deposit side. The deposit comprised around 13 to 14 crores, and at advances side there was a business of around 6 crores. So especially I want to highlight that I got the appreciation from my regional manager. During the business closing itself, I have achieved all the parameters. I have achieved the target. I have surpassed the target in all 8 core business parameter of the targets given by our regional authority. So that was the highlight of my performance. Not only that, during various campaigns also, I have performed exceedingly well, which is appreciated with my by my higher authorities, and it is also reflected in terms of my appraisal, because continuously throughout my stint with the bank, I have secured a good rating.
No, you are talking in general terms. You are not specific. You are not telling what is the progress made by you during your tenure in that branch. You don't have to tell me whether it is a medium branch or a large branch or rural branch and all. Tell me the figures. Hello. Yeah. Okay. I'm not going to go. I'm not going to check it up there. But this question is asked to find out, are you happy about your performance?
Well, certainly.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Certainly. I'm very much satisfied with the performance which I did during the tenure in which I was heading the branch, because I have taken over the branch. If I talk about the advances side, then I have taken the branch around 4 crores of advances, and when I left the branch it was around 6 crores. So roughly in 2 years I have increased the advances around for about 50%. And since it was a rural branch, so the overall growth in rural segment was around 80%, and 30% or 50% growth was there in MSME segment. And since it was a rural branch, so there was not a lot of scope. Despite that, I have made significant progress in the retail segment also, and I have there was a growth of around 20 to 30% in the retail segment as well. And if I talk about the liability side, then yes, I have increased the CASA deposit of my branch. It was around 60 lakhs when I joined the branch, and when I left the branch, it was around 1 crores and 10 lakhs. So there was a growth of around 100% in the current deposit. And if I talk about the saving deposit, when I taken over however, I am not exactly remember the terms, but yes, sir, I have taken when I took over the branch, the saving deposit was around 12 crores, and when I left over the branch, the saving account was around 14 crores. So there was there was a growth in each and every segment since when I have taken the branch and have given over to handed over to different person.
No, but one thing, while communicating, you were not very definite. For example, once you said total business is 20 crore, but then here you are telling SB alone is 12 crore. So 12 crore. Some, while presenting, probably थोड़ा सोच के बताना है, because you said about CASA deposits. Again, you are talking about savings account. Where is the need?
Sir, sorry, it was my bad. Actually, I was talking about that the demand deposit, that is current account. That thing I missed.
Yes, this video I will send the link to you. You बात में सुन लीजिए where you earned. थोड़ा अभी now I know it is late night. थोड़ा tired भी हो सकते हैं, फिर भी you should own responsibility and try to present it briefly and to the point.
I will.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
I will. I will.
yeah. In fact, I'm going through. Yeah. What was the branch profit or loss?
So it was the branch was in profit of around 25 lakhs.
Acha, performance targets, everything you achieved, deposit
Yes.
target. You were mentioning some 8 parameters. What were those parameters?
So the parameters was like demand deposit, saving deposit, then CASA deposit, then total deposit. Then it was total advances, then retail advance, then MSME advance, then agriculture advance.
Good. What is the NPA percentage of the branch when you joined and when you came out of the branch?
The NPA percentage was it was a stagnant, sir, throughout when I joined the branch and when I left the branch. It was around the total NPA of my branch was 80 lakhs. When I joined the branch, and it was like 78 lakhs when I left the branch, and and it was like roughly 10 to 12% of the entire credit portfolio.
Now, why could you not recover monies in NPA?
Sir,
I know pretty well. It is easy to ask, and getting it done is really difficult. But interviews, ऐसा question जरूर आएगा आपको.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, sir, I have recovered. I have recovered several big amounts. Like there was 2 to 3 accounts of 10 lakhs each, which I have tried to recover. I have but the problem was that during 2020 itself, Corona came. Then suddenly everything got haywire. Then the recovery got impacted. Then everything got impacted. So it was very difficult to recover at such a given point of time, wherein the income generating of people, especially in the agriculture and MSMEs segment, got stopped. So there was a fresh slippages as well. While I have recovered the old NPA's account, there was again a fresh slippages which I could not get a control of. But again, sir, I would like to say that in few there was a lot of cases in which there was I've tried, I have spoken to the customer and have protected or not have allowed an account to slip to NPA category.
Very good, very good, very good. That's nice. Now, what are third-party business figures? I think being a rural branch, you might not have had any such figures. Na? They are in your bank interview questions only. They have given third-party business figures. You must have. Do you have that PDF with you? Your bank PDF prepared by your Ahmedabad training center for your promotion from scale 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and all. I will attach it to you. I will attach that for you. 1 minute. Bank of Baroda interview. Yeah. 1 minute. It is there in desktop. 1 minute. Hold on, please.
Yes, sir.
Please stay on the line.
Okay, sir. I will.
Just a minute. Bank of Baroda interview. Bank of Baroda interview. Just a minute. Hold on. Where is it available? Bank of Baroda interview. Interview techniques, Kedar Gulkarni. Doesn't matter. I will reach it to you. After this interview, I will reach it to you. No problem. Okay. Now,
okay, sir.
What in your branch you had some, say, bank assurance and all, collection of bank assurance and all? No.
Yes, sir. So basically, our bank had tie-up with. If I talk about if I talk about third-party products, then there are types of products. Basically, but our bank had tie-up with insurance company. When it comes to life insurance company, our bank owns a company that is India first life insurance company. We actually since I am already a IC33 certified, then I am authorized. Therefore, I am also authorized to sell life insurance product as well. So, what I believe, sir, that being in a rural branch, there is a lot of scope to sell a third party product, because people over there are also are having money, but they are not having proper knowledge how to how to protect their future, or how to financially plan their investment. So there's a lot of scope, because being in a rural branch, you are very respected over there, and people listen to you very gently, and and pays a lot of attention to your words. So there's a lot of scope. I have achieved I would like to say that I have achieved almost every month itself we are assigned with a target to sell life insurance product. And I in around around all the months I have I'm able to sell life insurance product without any problem. So
excellent, excellent, very good.
There is a big
very good.
There is a big scope in that area. And sir, when it comes to general insurance company, our bank have a tie-up with Tata AIG and Chola Mandalam Insurance. And when it comes to health insurance, our bank had a tie-up with Star Max Bupa, which is now known as Niva Bupa Health Insurance, and Star Health Insurance. So basically, our bank has tie up with each and every insurance, and whenever I see and get an opportunity, if someone seeks my advice, or even if someone asks me for financial planning, I go out of my way to help them, and to make them financially sound and plan their savings.
Sorry, your answers are very lengthy.
Okay. I'll keep
and
that.
Yeah, and the question was about your performance in third-party business figures, and there was no need for you to tell about with which banks Bank of Baroda has got connections and all.
Okay.
See, your interview will be maximum 15 to 20 minutes, or even less than that. And within that time, you must be able to create an impression. You are 100% business-like, and you are interested in achieving things.
Okay. So it should be like precise, point to point. The things which
exactly
reply them.
Jada bolna nahi hai. Bilkul.
Okay,
And I know, being a person who has worked as a manager, आप तो बात करना अच्छा आता है, so इसलिए बात करते हैं, लेकिन समय नहीं है. Within that time, you must create an excellent impression in their mind. Now, again and again, as an external person, my doubt will be, how is your relationship with your present boss? In your
my present boss.
Yeah, you are working under a scale 4 branch or scale 5 branch?
Scale 4 branch.
Scale 4 branch. Obviously, see, the proposals after your processing will go to senior manager or go to chief manager?
I'm sorry, sir.
After your processing papers will go to chief manager or senior manager?
So chief manager.
See, directly
he's the sanctioning.
Directly chief manager. Good. Excellent. Now, how was your relationship with your regional head when you are working in the branch?
So the relationship was very good and very healthy. I get a lot of feedback from him. So it was really very good.
Very good. Excellent. So that point only you should try to make an impression that in spite of your good performance, in spite of your having good relationship with your bosses, you were disturbed on account of bank's policies or on account of bank's requirement, something like that.
Yes.
So after joining in this new branch, what are the achievements, if at all, you want to tell us?
So achievement in terms of my performance.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, since it is a big branch, initially there was a lot of challenges because I was thrown up with new portfolios. So because since it is a since I'm currently placed under urban branch, so there's a lot of proposals, especially in the retail segment of personal loan. So I usually during the closing month itself, I was able to disburse around 50 lakhs of auto loans and 30 lakhs of personal loan, and that is the second highest in the entire region. Initially, there was the demand was not picking up, but in the month of March itself, everything was settled, and I was able to perform there.
Good, excellent. Supposing you are head of a branch and there are two officers in your branch. Both of them have applied for privilege leave. One for his sister's marriage, one for his promotion examination. How will you handle this situation?
Okay, so both applied for the privilege leave, and both are going at the same time, I presume.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. First of all, I would we will have a staff meeting wherein I will ask both of them that what are the portfolios allotted to them and what are the works pending with them, first of all. And I'll since both of them having emergency kind of situation, I'll not stop anyone from going to leave, but yes, I'll make sure that all pending works should be completed, and I will arrange for I will ask for a deputation. If in case I do not get a deputation, then in that case I'll ask one of them to hold back, or to, as I can compensate their leave for some other time. That is the most I can do.
Whom will you ask to read and not to go on leave? Sister's marriage or promotion exam?
Sir, that's sir, I believe I'll ask the one who is going on sister's marriage, just because going someone, because sir, I believe that both of them is equally important. Anyone is aspiring for his promotion, anybody is attending his or her sister marriage, both is equally important. But yes, I can ask her that sister marriage is something. If I'll go into the background then. If I'll ask that if you have any father or brother who can help you in the absence of you, then you can join your sister marriage on. You can take a leave just before the wedding date. I can do that. I can ask for the priorities, and then after doing that, I'll make the informed decisions. I will not randomly abrupt anyone, because I believe that by denying leave, the staff will get demotivated. Then eventually, I have to run the branch, and I cannot demotivate my staff with which I am working in the branch. So
Good.
I'll try to do it in that way.
That's okay. Correct. Now, are you reading newspapers regularly?
So to be honest here, I'll say no. Because,
ऐसा नहीं बोलना है, उधर में आप हाँ बोलना है. You have to say हाँ बोलना है.
I'll go prepared.
Acha, what is the recent news regarding Monetary Policy Committee?
So the repo rate has been increased by 40 basis point.
So what is the present repo rate?
Present repo rate is around 6.9.
Then what? Are you sure?
Yes, sir, certainly.
No, 4.40.
Oh, my bad, sir. Sorry. Yes, sir, 4.40. Sir.
4.40 and standing deposit facility. Have you heard of this facility? When was it introduced? This will tell that you are not reading newspapers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
It was introduced on April 8th.
April 8th. Yes,
April
yes,
8th only this was introduced. At that time, the rate of interest fixed was 3.75. Now it has been revised to 4.15. And I'm sure you don't know what is standing deposit facility because you are not reading newspapers. You don't know.
Yes, sir.
Standing deposit facility is a new scheme introduced by Reserve Bank of India under the, say, this repo measures and all, whereby banks which have got surplus funds can keep them in that account, and RBI will pay earlier it was 3.75, now 4.15% interest. RBI will pay the banks.
Sir, then how is it different from this reverse repo rate?
Reverse repo rate that continues as it is, but it is linked to some securities and all that. But full details I don't know.
Yeah, I'll try to get the details because it is an important question because it's
that 3.35% also stays right on data. That also stays, and the bank rate has been revised by 0.40 points to 4.65.
4.65. Yes.
And MSF rate has also been revised to 4.65.
4.6.
And there is one more revision that has taken place yesterday, is that the CRR has been revised to, you know the rate, you don't know, 4.50. From 4%, it has been revised to 4.50. I will do one thing. I will give you the link of CTDI magazine.
Okay.
CTDI magazine. I am giving you link.
I have all the links and have all the of RBI, but you know I do not get the time. I did not get the time exactly to go through that.
ऐसा नहीं बोलना है ना. अच्छा अभी आपको आपका what is your, this is your account ना, और किसी को, yeah, I have in your WhatsApp I have given you. So you please go through at least from January 2022 to April 2022.
Okay.
Because definitely, because you are a senior person, they will expect you to know about the recent changes and all that. So इसलिए पूछेगा आपसे.
So from April 2022.
No. Reverse में जाइए, April 2022 to January 2022.
Okay. Fine.
At least 4 months I want you to read.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Definitely.
Yeah, and yeah, that's one thing. So we were now on this, yeah, and थोड़ा circulars, latest circulars कुछ वगैरह, अच्छा उसका बारे में आप पढ़ के मन में रखना है. How were you implementing positive pay system in your bank branch?
Sir, a positive pay system. So basically, is a system wherein customers have to give their consent before passing the check. So basically it is taken care by sir, I am saying this to you, it is not a live interview, sir, it is taken care by the operation, the person on the branch, so I do not have the exact knowledge over there, but yes, I can tell you that it is implemented in my bank, wherein a check of rupees there's a threshold amount, I believe it is 2 lakhs and above checks.
Is it 5 lakhs or something like that? No? Bank of Baroda में I think it is 5 lakhs or so. आप थोड़ा verify कर दीजिए. And you should check up with Bank of Maharashtra also उसका अंदर में क्या दिया है. And what I am asking is not the role that you were playing. This is just to find out whether you are aware of how it is done. Here I would have been happy with an answer. Positive pay system is a system whereby a person issuing check over and above some specified limit. say, has to inform the bank branch through, say, electronic means, through internet or through SMS or through
as
email, and
banking.
the details, the check issued by him, so that bank can verify that and pass the checks, and this can avoid the frauds being committed. Just today I have received a instrument from, say, message from Canara Bank: use positive pay system for checks issued by you to prevent fraud and ensure coverage under dispute redressal mechanism of RBI. Something new system has come. I am not aware of that. Dispute redressal mechanism of RBI. Note it, please note it. Dispute redressal mechanism. Dispute redressal mechanism. What is that? इसका बारे में पढ़ लीजिए. Because the way, look here, this this message, you know, here it says they have not told even about 50,000 or 1 lakh and all. Kuch bhi nahi diya. For every check, I think they want it to be informed so that there is no problem. Yeah. Pata nahi, what is the procedure that is followed in your bank branch? Find out कर लीजिए, that will be better.
Sir, अब मेरे बैंक में दोनों चीजें आप, if you want, then you can enter the details of the instrument which you have given to the customer into your mobile banking as well, or either you can come with an application and deposit it in the branch itself, that you have given such and such amount of check to such and such amount of customers. So we do it by itself.
This answer I expected you earlier.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir. So actually, the thing is like, till now I was only thinking about, you know, when the schedule would be out. Then is only when I'll prepare for the interview.
Yeah. Now
since I am facing interview for the first, then I know in which areas I am lacking. So I'll definitely in Sunday itself I will.
You have knowledge, you can improve it very well. There is no problem about it, but only clarity and also
yes, sir,
very precise answers. Are you married?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How many kids do you have?
One. I have one daughter.
What is her age?
She's 2 years old.
Very good. What is your wife? Is she working?
Yes, sir. She's working. She's working as a lecturer in Government Girls Center College in Lucknow.
Acha, as a lecturer.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Very good. In which place?
In Lucknow itself.
Lucknow. Acha. You are staying in Bihar. She is in Lucknow.
No. I'm staying in Allahabad. It's 200 kilometers far away from Lucknow.
Acha. You are in Allahabad. She is in Lucknow. Because
yes, sir,
this question will come in Bank of Maharashtra. अरे भाई,
yes, sir,
आपको वाइफ तो काम करते हैं लखनऊ में, आप इधर, मेरे पास तो ज्यादा ब्रांचेस है महाराष्ट्र में, आप क्या करेंगे? महाराष्ट्र में डालने से क्या करेगा? Are you willing to take up this assignment in spite of your being changed from one state to another?
Yes, sir. I will. So this thing I have clarified, before marriage itself, because mine is a transferable job. I told, especially to my wife, that mine is a transferable job, and she's okay with it. Besides, sir, in our bank, also there is a policy that after 6 years of your service, you can be transferred anywhere in the within the country. So, so in the longest stay criteria, also I am eligible for transfer this year or next year. So anyways, even if I'll work in this bank also, I'll be eligible for transfer anywhere in India. So reallocation is not a problem, and I'm ready for it.
Again, for this you could have simply told me yes.
Yeah, okay, sir.
There was no need for you to justify about your bank's rules, policies and all. Good. Very nice. Nice talking to you. I know I have not done it fully, but I have not gone into your credit area. I will go maybe next time if we meet, we'll go into that and discuss about it. And yeah, you pay me only 100 rupees for next interview.
Sir,
No problem.
that is not an issue.
Yeah.
I'll pay you the entire fee there. It is not an
Yeah.
issue, sir. So one thing, from my side, which I would like to ask you is that when they'll ask me that why do you want to you switch to smaller bank despite of working in a big bank like Bank of Baroda, then what should be my answer?
They will not say Amara bank, smaller bank. They will simply ask you, why are you jumping from probably first public sector State Bank, second is PNB, third is Bank of Baroda. Correct?
Right.
So udhar se idhar kyun aate? Only for your, they can ask you, are you not definite about your promotions there? Are you not
Yes,
confident about your promotions there? I think mostly you will be eligible next 1 year, 2 years, 1 or 2 years. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
So that is a good. There is no answer. There is no answer for that except that you want to say, I want to have the promotion quickly.
Yes.
And
yes.
whether it is really worth it, considering the fact one jump over from one institution to another, you have to create a record there. Number two, you have to prove your performance there. Number three, you are nearby your own place.
Yes,
with not much of disturbance being disturbed. Under these circumstances, is it worth trying for another bank where you may be disturbed and not much of a salary difference? Maybe you may get about 10,000 rupees increase or so. Zyada nahi hoga. Kitna difference hoga? I'm not sure. Scale 2 salary.
Sir, yes, sir. Right now I'm getting around somewhere around 90,000 rupees, and the scale 3, because I have CIB, I'll get 2 additional increment. Then also I believe that my gross will be around somewhere between 1,05,000, I believe. So there would be a increment of 10,000. Sir, see, I'm not thinking about whether I'll join or not, but yes, I am right now. My aim is to crack the interview. That's it. After cracking the interview, I'll decide whether I will. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
After that, I'll decide that whether I'm going to.
Financially, I mean, as an outsider, financially, it may not be feasible, because supposing they post you to South India or other West India, उधर से आना जाना तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा.
Right, sir. Right.
This is a thing, but doesn't matter. Keep it in your mind. It depends on how. Sometimes they may post you within UP also. Who knows?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So very good. Best wishes. Yeah.
Could you, sir? That is the only thing which I am struggling to get the answer. How will I answer this question? Because it is very tricky. And
this will come to an end.
It may.
Excuse me. This will come to an end because time is over. 40 minutes time over, and I will come on your.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe we'll talk next sometime afterwards also. Thank you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Or if you want, I will come on WhatsApp now. For me, it is only daytime. I will call you. I will call you in WhatsApp. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.